What's up, everybody? Welcome to another beautiful day of Matty Matt's Bavarian Builds in sunny San Diego. We have big things going on today. So in the past, I know I haven't updated in a minute, but let me show you what I've done. I have the complete interior wiring laid out, everything plugged in the dash. I have the battery figured out. I need to lay the E90 fuel tank in here because something big's gonna happen. Here's all the wiring for the back of the car. It's all hooked up, except for busted taillights, whatever. Let's go see what we have in the front. We have a whole bunch of cool stuff you haven't seen yet. I installed the dock race intake manifold, the dock race downpipe. My buddy Nick hooked up the Snops blow-off valve. Lines and the fittings are all done. Everything's tucked. Power steering. Check this out. Bada bing. It's full. It's holding. Check this out. Coolant. I know it doesn't look good. That's not its final placement. Don't judge. But it's in. And it's holding so far. We haven't fired up the car, but that's what the big plans are today, if you didn't know. So let's go over a couple other things. So I have all the coolant lines hooked up. The oil cooler's still hooked up. The turbo's on. Install the drain. We got to pull the turbo off. I have the E90 headlights in, don't judge, just so I can test the wiring that I did and make sure that we can get a systems test. I have all the wiring done for the Mac Boost solenoid. Boom. I have my catch cans. This one, I need to put a breather on there to atmosphere. And then that one for the PVCs. I need to tidy this up, but all the wires run in here. Need to install the DME. I'm doing an oil change right now. So this is the first oil change of the world's first E34 N54 single turbo swapped ever. First oil change. Recognize. So here's the back. So I'm gonna lay the gas tank in over here once the battery's done charging. And yeah, I have my grounds laid out. It's not permanent, but they're there, you know, you see them. Why isn't that thing gone? In there. Oops. So I'm really excited about this. So stay tuned. There's a lot more coming after this oil change. The world's first oil changed E34 N54 single turbo swap coming at you now. So I had to go to Escondido German Auto and get an oil filter wrench. I wanted to borrow one, but luckily the Snap-on guy was there. So 23 bucks got me oil filter removal tool. So now that I have that, I'm gonna put the filter in, start adding oil. Woo! So big treat, got the fuel set up. It's all in the back of the E34. Gonna get the battery in. My boy Dusty from Escondido German Auto, my whiz, is getting his laptop. We're gonna do a dry run. Hopefully get this Bezo started for the first time. World's first E34 N54 swap single turbo in the world. That's what the first meant. Woo! All right, battery in. It's not ground down. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Spark's gonna fly.
Oh, wow. All right. Lights are on. I heard a little noise from the CD player. Oh, we still have to plug in the fuel. Oh shit, this is so exhilarating. The one way goes one way and the other. I imagine the way they come in.
Luckily. You made it kind of dummy free.
Yeah, right? Nope. Yep. Yep. And we have one over there. Oh my God. This is real. It's amazing. Scanning through. Oh, I need the DME hooked up. Game on. DME plugged in. Game on. All right, let's party on. Party on, Garth. Let's do this. Smoke, good signal. Here we go. Should I get a fire extinguisher? I should, huh? Let me grab one. Thanks, Angry Ass Solutions. They're saving the day, but hopefully not needed. Go check them out at angryassolutions.com for your E34 sports seat, fire extinguisher, and bracket. It's aviation approved. There we go.
This thing can fly?
Huh? No, this is for wires and stuff. It's good fire sauce. Oh, look at that shock tower, holds it perfect. Okay. Pin is out just in case. What's it doing?
I'm gonna load drivers real quick.
Thank you so much for your help, dude.
Do what I can when I can.
You're a champion. And people will love you. And they will yell your name out in glory. Dusty. Dusty.
That's what I did. Dream about that moment.
I know, we all do. This is gonna be a very big moment, I hope. Once he gets the drivers loaded up, we'll get back to it. Stay tuned.
80. And verify everything's okay. I think we're okay, so what we can do, cycle the key and see if anything comes back after a key cycle.
Okay.
Let's see where we're at.
I love hearing that sound. Normally it would drive me nuts, but this time it sounds good.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yep, because you have some kind of response. I don't see any fault codes coming back. We can try to crank it if you're comfortable with that and see if we get any kind of...
I'm fine with that.
Okay. You have the clutch, right?
Yeah, the clutch is already pushed in. It's on the floor.
Okay.
It's just by itself. Do you have to have the foot brake in too?
Yes.
Oh, you might, the sensor's not put into the...
It's inserted.
Always lube before insertion.
Oh man. Okay. Well, there's no resistance on it, so.
Because there's no brake. Okay.
All right, let's see what we got.
Oh no. I hear noises in here. Oh shit. Oh no. Excited. Double checking. Thing looks good. Holy shit. Oh, get out, get out, get out, really?
Yeah.
Get out.
You want me to leave it running?
Yeah, let's try. Oh shit. Oh shit. Woo! 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 That's gonna need a little adjustment, but we got it. We got it. Woo! Hell yeah! Oh man.
Awesome,
Started
man.
off.
That gives a little more gas in the tank to get this thing finished now.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
Oh, are we lowering gas?
No,
Oh.
mental gas. Mental gas in the tank.
Hell yeah. Oh my god. Is it bad? Should we try and...
Just make sure we don't have any fluid leaks. Nothing
I
going
don't-
around.
Don't see anything.
Let me scan it for codes one more time. See if anything is-
For sure. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's in gear or not either. Oh.
Oh, at least it's on jack stands, right?
Oh my god. Months of hard work. Coming down to a couple little moments. I can't do it without Nick. Couldn't do it without Dusty. Can't do it with the guys at Angry Ass Solutions. Greg, Brent, you know who you are. All my friends that believed in me. Grateful for you guys, man. It really, this is fucking awesome. So let's see how she goes.
Yeah. Okay, so you just have fault codes for the wastegate
Uh-huh.
and the boost pressure sensor, which is fine, and we're not done connecting everything.
Oh, I have a 3.5 bar map sensor in, so it's probably not reading that because it's not tuned for it. Maybe.
Possibly.
Okay.
No, I'm looking at it from an OEM's perspective.
Oh, yeah, and I have a boost leak because one of the connecting hoses isn't hooked up.
Yeah, usually when they have fault codes like this, it's just because it's looking for some kind of signal return and it's not getting anything. Which is fine. At least we got, you know, the car starting and running.
Yeah.
Its own, power. Then we can just go back through and start testing and fine-tuning stuff. But
Hell
the
yeah.
thing is making sure that we had it set up correct and
Yeah.
nothing's on fire.
So far, everything looks good so far. You gonna do it again?
You want to see a fire again?
Yeah. Oh, headlights are on. What? There we go. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Hell yeah.
You don't want to leave it running?
I can. You
Okay,
ready?
yeah.
Wait, one more time.
Yeah, let's leave it running. One second. Oh, damn it! Not on video. One more.
One more time.
Sorry. That's right. There we go.
Look anything underneath the car too.
Yeah. Ooh, Daddy got the warm.
I can hear it just going. Is that ball bearing?
Yeah.
That's freaking rad.
Yeah. Oh.
Now you're gonna want to drive it.
Yes.
Good job, dude.
Thanks, man. Crazy. This is so crazy. Oh my god.
Is this real life?
I know, right? Like all these, you think about this moment for so long and you're like, man. Fuel tank battery. Oh, we're legit. Hooked up to the ECU. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I was just plugging everything in.
Oh my god. That's right. Fuck yeah. I did it for you, Tupac and Biggie. I did it for you.